Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the beautiful tradition of celebrating Eid as Muslims. Join us as we explore the customs, rituals, and joyous moments that make Eid a truly special occasion for Muslims around the world. Eid is a time of joy, gratitude, and community, marking the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting and spiritual reflection. Let's delve into some key ways Muslims celebrate this auspicious day. One of the most important aspects of Eid is the congregational prayer known as Salat al-Eid, performed in the morning. Muslims gather in mosques or open spaces to offer prayers of thanksgiving and seek Allah's blessings for the year ahead. This is followed by a sermon delivered by the Imam, reminding worshippers of the significance of Eid and the importance of gratitude and charity. After the prayer, it's time to embrace the spirit of giving and charity. Muslims are encouraged to give zakat al-fitr, a form of charity given to those in need before the Eid prayer. This ensures that everyone can partake in the festivities and experience the joy of Eid. Eid is also a time for family reunions and gatherings. After the prayer, families come together to share festive meals, exchange gifts, and enjoy each other's company. It's a time to strengthen bonds and create cherished memories with loved ones. Another beloved tradition of Eid is dressing in new or special clothes. Muslims adorn themselves in their finest attire, symbolizing purity, renewal, and gratitude for the blessings of Allah. The streets come alive with vibrant colors and traditional attire, creating a festive atmosphere that reflects the joy of Eid. Of course, no Eid celebration is complete without delicious food and sweet treats. Families prepare elaborate feasts featuring traditional dishes and delicacies, sharing meals with neighbors and friends as a gesture of hospitality and goodwill. As the day draws to a close, Muslims continue to spread love and joy by visiting relatives, exchanging greetings of Eid Mubarak, and extending acts of kindness to those in need. The spirit of Eid extends beyond individual households, fostering a sense of unity and compassion within the community. Thank you for joining us as we explored the beautiful traditions of celebrating Eid as Muslims. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into Islamic culture and traditions. Until next time, Eid Mubarak, and may Allah bless you and your loved ones abundantly.